Hi there, my name is Dr. Jin Eslami. I'm a board certified periodontist and I practice in Orange County, California. Today, I want to talk with you about staining. Yes, teeth staining. What do the different colors mean? So, if you have brown staining, that's related to coffee or tea drinking. That is what causes the brown staining. If you notice a purplish hue, that is from wine staining. And then lastly, yellow. Yellow is for tobacco. So if you are a smoker or a vapor, then you will develop these yellow stains on your teeth. And that is from tobacco staining. So if you want to eliminate any of these stainings, one thing you want to do is brush your teeth right away after you drink your coffee, after you drink your tea. That will help reduce that brown staining. The same goes with the wine staining and the yellow staining. You shouldn't be smoking.